Cheers coming back, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that brief kind of flirt with the VW stuff over the last couple of weeks. Both them K70s are cool cars. I love them. They're something that I've got really long videos on that I've had to shorten down quite a lot so that, you know, I'm not making a 20-minute video just me talking utter bollocks.
Oh, really? You don't have the technology or the steady hands to pull off a procedure like that, so ha!
Oh. Bosh, that's the one. That's it.
You definitely want to put your fuel on top of your sparking battery. It's just kind of, you know, general safety. I'm really good at this. It's either going to start or it's going to burn down this time. That's its only options. If it doesn't start this time, I think probably next thing you'll see is just me at Autoculture this weekend. Killed drive shafts on K70 trying to make it. Again, shit happens. Have a nice day, mate. Appreciate you. Bye bye.